Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by saving your work and confirming the Word version you run. This guides the repair path. Next, make sure Windows and Office updates are pending and free at least 5% disk space to avoid mid-repair failures. If you can, sign in with an admin account or have your Microsoft account ready so you can reinstall or reactivate. Once done, close Word, disable third-party add-ins, and proceed to run the built-in Office repair tool. That starts the automated fix process. You run Control Panel, choose Office, and try Quick Repair first because it is fast and non-destructive. If problems persist, perform an online repair which reinstalls core files. Then, restore Word defaults by renaming Normal. .m to force a new template. This removes corrupt macros or styles that cause crashes. Next, start Word in safe mode with WinWord/safe, disable all add-ins, and re-enable them one at a time to isolate the offender. Make sure to test document load and core features after each change. You should uninstall and reinstall Office only after repairs fail because this clears deeper installation issues. Use your Microsoft account portal or installer, then apply updates. Additionally, run sfc/scano and follow with dism restore commands to fix OS file corruption that affects Word. If a specific document is damaged, use Word's Open and Repair or try version history and recover unsaved files. If problems continue, contact Microsoft support with error log.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.